Meaning of dialer.
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 Dialer. A dialer is a software program that automatically dials phone numbers. It is typically used in call centers and telemarketing operations to efficiently contact large numbers of customers or prospects. The dialer can be configured to use different dialing modes, such as predictive dialing, preview dialing, or power dialing, depending on the specific needs of the organization. The main advantage of using a dialer is that it can increase the productivity and effectiveness of agents by reducing idle time and automatically handling call routing and dispositioning.